Hi, my name is Sai, and I'll be showing you my musical game. How to play the game is you move to the cursor to an instrument, and then it'll play the music. Once the cursor goes off the instrument, it will stop playing the music. Most of the graphics and design was from the HatchXR 3D models, and this over here is the code for how to make the piano play and stop. I used the JavaScript. This is supposed to be a VR game, and I mainly use stop sounds and play sounds for each instrument.
Someone has to play this game. How will we do it?
When, they see this black cursor here,
Mm-hmm.
and they have to put it in each instrument.
Okay, awesome. So that's about it, Sai. I love this project.